Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 3 of the course. I wanted to take a minute and go over the course checklist with you. This week, we'll be finishing up the content from Chapter 2. Specifically, we'll cover the three-dimensional content that we didn't hit last week, and we'll also make it through as much as we can, ideally the whole thing of Chapter 3. So if you kind of step through the course checklist, you'll notice that if you scroll over here to the notes, tomorrow I'll be posting a lecture set with videos embedded to cover the remainder of the Chapter 2 material. If I were you, I would read that and look at the examples as quickly as I can and actually start working on what we're calling homework 3, which is actually the second part of Chapter 2. So you'll be fully equipped to do that after you watch those notes that I post tomorrow on Tuesday, April 5th, since many of you might not be watching this on Monday. One thing to note is that homework actually won't be due until Sunday evening at midnight, but it's a good thing not to wait just because you will have a couple other assignments due at midnight on Sunday. So Tuesday's lecture, again, we'll finish up Chapter 2. Thursday's lecture will cover as much as we can of Chapter 3 that I feel is feasible. In order to prepare you for that, it would be a good thing if you read Chapter 3, and I've assigned that as a reading assignment within the Pearson MyLab software this morning. We'll have a homework assignment for Chapter 3. I will probably on the homework not cover the entire chapter, even if we get through it all in lecture, just because that would be a lot of material. I set the homework 3 up, which is the second part of Chapter 2, ideally to take you about an hour to 70 minutes if you're adequately prepared. I'll kind of try to do the same thing for homework 4. I generally don't like to assign more than 2.5 hours of homework a week. I think it becomes infeasible beyond that. In addition, we'll have a discussion board that's due on Sunday. It's kind of going to look at your preparation for the first exam of the course, which will be next week. Remember that exam 1 will cover chapters 1, 2, and 3 of the course material. Ideally, I'll kind of end the material towards the beginning of chapter 3. We will have 3 more exams in the course, and the material will start moving very quickly now. So do make sure that you're staying up to date with everything. So please email me if you need anything. I'll have your assignments, discussion board assignments, graded by probably tomorrow, pretty late. But if you have any questions about either those grades, anything in the course, or any of the content from the homework, which was due last Sunday, feel free to email me. So good luck, and I'll talk to you all soon.